I've been on a quest to perfect Neapolitan pizza at home, and today I'm sharing all my secrets with you. We are talking authentic wood-fired oven-quality pizza that you can make right in your own kitchen. So, let's get down to basics and create some pizza magic together. First things first, we need to talk about flour. We're using 500 grams of 00 flour, which is crucial for that authentic Neapolitan texture. Now let's add 325 milliliters of room temperature water. The ratio here is key. Too much water and you'll have a sticky mess. Too little and your dough will be tough. Next up, we're adding 10 grams of salt. This might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's essential for balancing the flavors in our dough. Now, for the magic ingredient, 3 grams of active dry yeast. This little powerhouse is going to kickstart our fermentation process, giving us that perfect pillowy texture we're after. Mix everything together until it forms a shaggy dough, then turn it out onto a clean surface. Knead it for about 10 minutes. Yeah, it's a workout, but it's worth it. You're looking for a smooth, elastic dough that springs back when you poke it. Once you've got that, form it into a ball. Pop it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise for at least 8 hours, or overnight if you can. Alright, fast forward to pizza time. Preheat your oven as high as it'll go. We're talking 500 degrees Fahrenheit or more if possible. Now, let's talk toppings. We're keeping it classic with San Marzano tomatoes. These beauties are the gold standard for Neapolitan pizza. Crush them by hand. Yeah, it's messy, but it's the best way to get that perfect chunky smooth consistency. For the cheese, we're using 200 grams of fresh mozzarella. Tear it into chunks. Don't slice it, we want that rustic look. Now stretch out your dough. Gently, we don't want to lose all those beautiful air bubbles. Top it with the tomatoes, mozzarella, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Bake it for about 5-7 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully charred and the cheese is bubbling. Finish with some fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of sea salt. And, that's it. Authentic Neapolitan pizza, straight from your own oven. The crust should be thin and crispy, with those signature charred spots. The center soft and slightly chewy. Take a bite. You'll taste the tang of the tomatoes, the creaminess of the mozzarella, and that perfect balance of salt and olive oil. It's a slice of Naples right in your kitchen. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some pizza to devour.